We are losing her.
Put some pressure. I need the information.
I'm sorry, what kind of stones were you talking about?
He wears them right.
Yeah, that's the place.
Damn it, they are close.
Too late.
You're on your own.
All right, now this slime will get what he deserved.
Wait! The Overlord said you can't do it, Rus.
Easy, easy. Breathe. Right. You're home. It's all right.
It means they got the demon.
Holy what is the Overlord doing here?
What were you asked about?
He asked, what weakens Vladimir?
It means one of two things. Either this vampire tries to get to Vladimir using you, or he gathers the army to weaken our clan. That is why he needs to know the weak sides of clan leaders.
Конец первой серии.